what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well today. I went a little crazy. And the reason being, I'm finally putting the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. This is the volume 2 that she released a few weeks back at this point. So most of you have probably seen this circulating around YouTube and Instagram. I wanted to go like red, pink, burgundy, and we went there, guys. We definitely went there today. I love the first volume. I've done so many tutorials on my channel using that palette, and I still use that one to this day. The brushes, I'm gonna be using those as well. I'm back, and I will have a number of videos coming your way, including another Amazon favorites. Yeah, I know you guys like those. So hopefully you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you do like it. Then definitely just keep on watching. All right, so I think for today's look, I want to dive into these more red tone shades over here. I just feel like they're speaking with me today, and I kind of have that vibe going on. And yes, tank top under here, okay? So just don't think anything's gonna come popping out, okay? No boobies on today's channel, folks. No boobies. All right, to start off, now don't laugh at me. I've never used this eyeshadow primer. I've only been using it, I want to say the past like 2.5 weeks, because it's been a minute since I filmed, okay? But it's the MAC Paint Pot in the shade Painterly. I don't know if you can see it, but I've been digging in there, okay? I've been liking it. And let me tell you, I already know I'm gonna forget to use these brushes. I'm first gonna go into the shade Grateful, and I'm picking that up on the JH15 brush. All right, so we're gonna put this, and it's kind of like an angled blending brush, so I'm curious. Ooh, damn. Ooh, damn, that's pigmented. Ooh, that brush fits right in that socket. Okay. All right, so that was one dip into that shade. Holy moly, guacamole. Oh my. I'm liking this brush for it. JH15, folks. JH15. I think I'm now gonna go into the shade Next to bring in a little bit of like the mauve red shade, and I think I'm gonna use the JH45. This is scary. Oh my God. Okay, you guys. This brush is really nice for packing on. This is the JH45. Ooh, yeah, it's like fluffy, but it's like, it gets that pigment on. Oh, this shade is so pretty. And again, bring it in the inner as well. Oh my God, what am I gonna do? There's so many options. All right, okay, so here's what I think I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go back in. I think we're gonna do like, kind of like a cut crease, nothing too crisp and too sharp, but I do want to lay a little bit more of a base down. So I'm gonna go back in with the MAC Paint Pots. This is the JH44, front third of the eye. Liking this, all right. All right, here's what we're gonna do. I got a plan. So let's go in. I'm gonna just use that same brush and just flip it. It's the JH44. I'm gonna go into the shade Bougie, and then Empowered, and then Crazy. Like, I'm gonna start with the lighter shimmer. I'm gonna go into the darker shimmer, which is Empowered, and then I'm gonna go in with the matte, deeper red shade, which is Crazy. That's not bad. Let's see what it looks like with the brush wet. Okay, it's a little better. I know I hold my brush weird for like when I do these inner corners. I've noticed that like when I'm editing, I'm like, what the hell? This is gonna be stunning. Actually, let me just try my finger. Oh God, yeah. It's almost like pinky red, almost. But I ain't it. And you could probably tell with my finger next to my face here, like I did self-tan. So far so good. I think I'm gonna go into this one. Let's try the JH51. I'm gonna go into the shade Crazy. Outer corner. That took it somewhere. Wipe a little bit of that off. And no product. Let's just soften this real quick. Okay, so this happened, you guys. It happened. So I don't know. I kind of like it, and I think once we have like lashes and everything on, it's gonna look pretty cool. I don't know, guys. I'm feeling spontaneous today. This is the Physicians Formula Eye Booster Eyeliner Pencil in the waterproof formula. I think I'm gonna go intense today because obviously that's what I'm feeling today. Just drag that in. I think I'm gonna take a little bit of that gold liner, and by the way, I did use, this is from NYX, it's their liquid crystals. This is in the shade Dramatic Sparkle. Oh no, Crystal Gold. I don't know, there's so many damn names on here. Dramatic Sparkle Studio Effect Liner. Liquid crystal liner in crystal gold. I'll have it linked down below. Let's give it a go. I'm just gonna like, I honestly just like press it. Ooh, yeah. So these are the Insta-famous unicorn lashes, and these are in the style Vixen. I will link them down below, but I'm kind of liking those because they're super spacey, so they won't, I think, cover up too much of the situation that we got going on. So I think that's gonna look really, really pretty. So I'm gonna do that, and then I will be right back. To prime, I'm going in with my Revlon. This is the Pore Reducing Primer. I always talk about this, but I use it more off camera than on. As you can see, like I'm almost, pretty much, not almost out of it, but I'm like halfway through this little guy. So I'm gonna mix these guys. These are the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I have my light shade, which is 420 True Beige, and then I'm gonna mix it with Sun Beige. I went in with my sponge and I forgot that I do wanna try this. It's the JH12 brush from Jaclyn Hill Morphe. So I haven't used a brush in a minute for my foundation. So I am liking this brush. I'm probably gonna go over it with a sponge just to kind of smooth everything out. It is nice to get right in these brows though, I'll tell you that. Kind of like smooth everything out, because I just feel like sometimes with the brush, it can get a little like streaky. First with my LA Girl, the Pro HD Concealer in the shade Natural. And then I think I'm gonna try, it's been a while since I used this. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. I'm gonna lay down my peachy shade first. Okay, going in with Milani. Should be good. I'm gonna leave a little bit of that shadow underneath the liner just to connect once we do the bottom lash line. Concealer is not bad. It's not the fullest coverage, and you guys know I struggle with my under eye hollowness. I'm gonna set these babies. Ooh, yeah. I love under eye powder, especially this one. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish up the lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with her bullet brush. It's the JH52, and I'm gonna go in with next. That's pretty. I am going to just try and brighten this up a little bit, going with my NYX Wonder Pencil in the shade Lights. Brighten up my eyes a little bit. This is probably such an attractive angle. All right, so I think I'm gonna fill in my brows, and I'm actually on a new one. I have been using the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil. For bronzer, I'm going in with the BECCA. This is the Sunlit Bronzer in Bronzed Bondi. So let's use the JH13 and pick up some of this. And see what happens. I forgot how intense this was, obviously. Okay, we're gonna have to clean this up. Ooh. Now obviously I'm gonna blend that a little bit better. Ooh, for under here though, for chiseling out like your jawline. Ooh, yeah. For blush, I'm going in with my Makeup Obsession Isn't It Peachy blush palettes to the shade Hint, which is this one right here. I love this for blush. Ooh, this one's the JH11. Gotta like get it in there though. See how pigmented that is? Makeup Obsession, folks, Target. I love it. I'm gonna put this right. Ooh, this is good for blush. That's good for blush. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, I love that. I've been bringing my brush in a little bit closer too. Before we set everything, I do want to clean up just like a little bit right here. I do want to test out this brush. This one's the JH14. I'm going in with my Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Rose Gold. So, okay. That actually, I'm not used to this because this brush is like super flimsy. So you got to be kind of careful where you're like putting your highlight. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face and finish up the rest of everything. I'm going with my Milani Make It Last setting spray, the matte one. Let's go ahead and set our brows, going in with my Maybelline Great Lash Clear Mascara. Can you kind of see what it does there? Like brings my hairs back to life, which I love. And it's drugstore. Lower lash mascara, I'm gonna go in, which one do I wanna go with today? I'm gonna go with my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. Okay, so for lips, I obviously want to do something a little bit on the neutral side. So I picked up this, I've used it before, but I haven't used this shade. It's the Ardell Vinyl Vixen Lip Lacquer in Kinky Nude. I'm gonna go in with my Steve Laurent lip pencil in the shade Chic, and I'm gonna give her a little sharpen. Lip lacquer, like I said, in the shade Kinky Nude. Let's see what she's all about. That's not bad. So guys, this wraps up today's video. I hope you really enjoyed this one, and give it a thumbs up, that way I know you did like it. And let me know in the comments, do you guys want me to do more makeup looks like this where they're not that wearable, but they're fun to create? And I had fun creating this look, and I hope you guys did too. So keep a lookout for those upcoming videos, and let me know what your thoughts are down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.